This trick is handy when you want to get your puppy's attention. If he's out playing, you can call touch and hold out your hand to re-engage him. I'm going to teach this trick by starting with a clicker in one hand. In my other hand, I'm going to take a little piece of a treat. Today I have little hot dog pieces, and I'm going to take one and wedge it between my fingers. I'm going to make sure that my puppy sees where it is. See? Good treat. I'm going to hold out my hand, and the instant her nose touches my hand, I'm going to click my clicker. Touch. Good. Very nice. And then I let her have the treat. So again, little piece of meatball between my fingers. Touch. Good. And then the treat. You want to make sure and click that clicker at the exact instant that your puppy is touching your hand, because that's when she's going to be taking that photograph and knowing what exactly it is that she did to earn the reward. JD, sit. Sit. Over here. Sit. Okay. Touch. Good girl. Now, some puppies may be a little bit shy of your hand. Either they don't want to get too close to it, or they may not see the treat. So for those puppies, we're going to put the treat in a real easy place right on the palm of our hand. Touch. Good. And then gradually we're going to tilt our hand more and more until it becomes vertical. And one more time. Touch. Good girl. Let's try that with some other puppies. Earlier, we taught our dog to close a door with his paw. If your dog didn't want to do it with his paw, you can also use this trick to help him nose touch the door closed. Now, after your puppy is done about 6 or 10 times where she's touching your hand to get the treat, then the next time you're going to do it with no treat at all, and just use your clicker to mark the instant that she touches her hand. So JD, touch. Good. Then I follow it up with a treat. And again, no treat in my hand. Touch. Good, and follow it up with a treat. You notice the timing on my click is again exactly when her nose touches my hand. Touch. Very good. Good job. And now you've taught the trick. Let's recap.